Welcome back to the show, everyone. Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey, diving deep into the wild, sometimes weird, and always wonderful world of men. We're going to explore what makes them tick. Ever wonder why guys act the way they do, or what's really going on behind those sometimes inscrutable expressions? From the intense focus at the gym, pushing their limits, to the ultimate relaxation on the couch with a remote in hand, their behavior is a complex universe of its own. We've carefully curated a list, lining up 10 surprising facts about men that you might not have encountered before. Prepare to be amazed because some of these facts will definitely make you pause and say, "Wait, really? Is that actually true?" So, whether you know a man intimately, are related to one, work with them, or are one yourself, get ready to have your perceptions challenged and your mind open to some eye-opening surprises. We'll cover a wide range of topics, everything from the fascinating aspects of their biology to the nuances of their behavior, all kept PG, of course. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Get ready to expand your knowledge because here are 10 fascinating facts about men that you probably didn't know. First up, let's delve into the fascinating world of color vision. It's a complex process, and what we perceive as color can be surprisingly subjective. Ever find yourself in a spirited debate with a guy about whether something is teal or turquoise, or perhaps chartreuse versus lime? These disagreements are more common than you might think. Science reveals a significant gender disparity when it comes to color blindness. Men are far more likely to experience it, approximately 1 in 12. That's a stark contrast compared to women, where only about 1 in 200 are affected by some form of color vision deficiency. The most prevalent type is red-green color blindness, which can make navigating everyday situations like interpreting traffic lights and appreciating Christmas decorations a whole different experience. So the next time he shrugs indecisively at paint samples, seemingly unable to distinguish between shades, remember that he might genuinely perceive things differently than you do. His reality could be a more muted or confused version of the vibrant world you see. Cut him some slack. He's working with what is, for him, a limited palette. It's not a lack of interest but a difference in perception. Let's talk height. On average, men are about 5 inches taller than women worldwide thanks to longer growth spurts during puberty. This difference shapes everything from clothing design to who gets the top shelf. So, next time you're stuck behind a tall guy at a concert, blame biology. Height, it's a daily reality. Ever notice men seem to open jars with ease? Men naturally have more muscle mass and less body fat thanks to testosterone. This means a higher metabolism and yes, sometimes eating a whole pizza without gaining weight. It's not about effort, it's biology. Need something heavy moved? Now you know why. Are you left-handed? If you're a guy, you're more likely to be. Men are statistically more likely to be lefties, about 1.23 to 1 compared to women. Theories point to hormones in the womb, but it's still a mystery. Left-handed men, navigating a right-handed world every day. Let's dive into the fascinating world of the human brain. Here's a brainy fact. When we compare the brains of men and women, we find that men's brains are, on average, about 10% larger in volume than women's. This is a well-documented difference. But before you jump to any conclusions, remember that size isn't everything. That size difference doesn't automatically mean smarter. The size difference in brain volume largely matches overall body size. So it's more about proportion than intelligence. In fact, women's brains are often more densely packed with neurons, which could contribute to enhanced neural processing and may allow them to multitask better. So, bigger brain? Yes, generally. Better in terms of cognitive function? Not necessarily at all. Ultimately, it's all about the intricate structure and connections within the brain, not just its overall size. It's just another fascinating way men and women are different, showcasing the beautiful diversity of the human species. Who's more likely to take a wild risk? Statistically, it's men. Testosterone and social expectations push men toward riskier choices, from extreme sports to questionable dares. Sometimes it leads to innovation, sometimes to viral internet fails. Hold my beer moments, blame biology and culture, risk-taking, it's in the DNA. Hair today, gone tomorrow, especially for men. By age 50, about half of all men experience noticeable hair loss, thanks to genetics and hormones like DHT. For some, it's a source of anxiety. For others, a badge of honor. Iconic bald men prove you can rock the look. If you're losing hair, you're in good company. Men really do have thicker skin, about 25% thicker than women's. More collagen means firmer, more resilient skin, which ages differently. Men get deeper wrinkles later, while women see finer lines earlier. So, thick-skinned isn't just a saying, it's science. Built-in biological armor. Snoring, if you hear it, odds are it's coming from a man. About 40% of adult men snore compared to 24% of women. Men's narrower airways and relaxed throat tissues make for a nightly symphony. Lifestyle factors like alcohol can make it worse. Light sleepers invest in earplugs, or learn to love the nightly concert. Time for a serious fact: men, on average, live 5-7 years less than women. Risk-taking biology and less frequent doctor visits all play a role. It's a global pattern with real consequences. Guys, take care of yourselves. These facts are fun, but health is serious. Let's close the gap together. There you have it, 10 surprising facts about men. From colorblindness to risk-taking, men are a fascinating mix of biology and behavior. Which fact surprised you most? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more. We love exploring the world's quirks with you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.